Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the gear. Confirm the JBL model and make sure the battery is above 20% or plug in the speaker for steady power. Turn the speaker on and watch for the LED or spoken ready prompt so you know it's awake. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone or laptop and stay within about 3 meters so pairing signals are strong. Once done, keep the speaker visible in your device's Bluetooth list and be ready to select it in the next step. You now focus on the pairing details. Select the JBL device name shown in your device's Bluetooth list, then accept any pairing request or PIN prompt. If you prefer wired audio, plug a 3.5 mm AUX or optical cable into the correct jack and set the speaker to that input. This reduces latency. When linking multiple JBL units, use JBL Connect Plus or Party Boost. You finish by testing audio and confirming settings. Play a familiar track, raise and lower the volume on both the speaker and your source, and listen for correct stereo placement. If audio drops or stutters, move the source closer, avoid obstacles, and reduce crowded 2.4 GHz traffic. Turn off nearby Wi-Fi briefly to diagnose. Make sure the speaker firmware is up to date. If pairing repeatedly fails, perform a factory reset using the model's reset sequence, then repeat the pairing steps from phase 1.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.